Now we will start with the first puzzle here. You can see here 3 triangles. You have to find the answer for the middle triangle. The answer can be 41, 26, 45 or 18. Your timer starts now. So the answer for this puzzle is 41. The method to find the answer for this puzzle is 4 into 2 equals 8. Then 8 plus 3 equals 11. Next one we'll see here. Next, the third figure here. 6 into 4 equals 24. Then 24 plus 5 equals 29. The similar way for the second figure. 7 into 5 equals 35. 35 plus 6 equals 41. So your answer is 41. Now let's go to the second puzzle. You can see here 3 figures. You have to find the answer for the third figure. Your answer can be 6, 8, 10 or 7. Your timer starts now. So the answer for this puzzle is 7. The method to find the answer is here for the first one. Here you can see here 2. You have to plus the number before the number 2. That is 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. You can see below that 3. Next figure here you can see 3. Before that is 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. The below number is 5. Similar way for here also. 4 plus 3. Before number is 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So your answer is 7. Now let's go to the third puzzle. You can see here 3 figures. You have to find the answer for the third figure. Your answer can be 20, 17, 15 or 10. Your timer starts now. So your answer for this puzzle is 17. The method to find the answer of this puzzle is 15 plus 8 equals 23, 14 plus 5 equals 19, 12 plus 5 equals 17. This is the method to find the answer. Now let's go to the fourth puzzle. You can see here 3 figures. You have to find the answer for the third figure. Your answer can be 5, 2, 9, 8. Your timer starts now. So your answer for this puzzle is 9. The method to find the answer for this puzzle is 8 plus 9 equals 17, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 4 plus 5 equals 9. This is the answer for this puzzle. This is our last puzzle. You can see here 3 triangles. You have to find the answer for the last triangle. Your answer can be 2404, 1636, 4444 or 3660. Your timer starts now. The answer of this puzzle is 1636. The method to find the answer for this puzzle is, here you can see here 5. You have to do 5 square. That means 5 into 5 equals 25. You have to keep it there. Next 2 square. 2 into 2 equals 4. The answer of it, that is 254. Next, here you can see 3. You have to do 3 square. That means 9, 1 square, you have to do 1 square. Next 1. So it is 91. The same similar way here. 4 you have to do 4 square. 4 into 4 equals 16. Then 6 square. 6 into 6 equals 36. So your answer is 1636. I hope you got the answers correct.